You know, there really ought to be a place online where Amazon Live creators can come together in a community, help each other, provide assistance, and even collaborate. That's right, there is a community because I created one just for you. And in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can get access to a free community and get the support you need as an Amazon Live creator. What's going on, everybody, and welcome to the channel. My name is Monte Weaver, and I help you navigate the world of digital, tech, and social media. And if you're brand new here, welcome. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button and click the bell for notifications every single time I upload a brand new video. Now, if you're brand new to the Amazon Live community, or maybe you're thinking about getting started on Amazon Live, you may have found that there is not a lot of information out there. Now, that's a good thing and a bad thing. The good thing is you're ahead of everybody else, because whenever you can tap into a social media platform, and especially with something like Amazon, you are going to be at the greatest advantage because we already know how powerful Amazon is. And we also know how powerful live streaming is. So you're in the right place at the right time. But the bad part about not being able to find an online community or online information is that you may struggle trying to find your way to success. Really trying to navigate things that might be simple, but there just isn't any information that you can easily find. So what I did was create an online Facebook group community full of Amazon live streamers and those of you that want to start live streaming on the platform. There are a lot of questions about Amazon Live and how you should get started and the type of tools that you need and how it just all works. There are already celebrities live streaming on the Amazon platform. Gabrielle Union, even Oprah Winfrey have been on Amazon Live. So when you combine Oprah, Amazon, and live streaming, you must be in the right place. And because so many people still don't even know the Amazon Live platform exists, you are able to get market share and draw an audience to you before every other influencer comes to the platform. Now, if you know my story, I've been able to grow on YouTube from 0 to over 15,000 subscribers in a year's time, which is incredible. And I can't even imagine what it's going to be like on Amazon, considering the fact I started on YouTube late. But now I'm able to tap into the Amazon Live creator community early. And because you're watching this video, you are too. So I want to encourage you to check out the description below this video and get access into our Facebook group. It's a free community where you can post your questions, and everybody in the community has one goal: to help each other out navigate through Amazon Live. One of the incredible things about the Amazon Live platform is your ability to grow an audience fast. Now, it's just going to be your job to show up consistently, creating a schedule, and making sure that you share it on your other social media platforms. Let your Facebook and Instagram, LinkedIn audiences know that you are on Amazon Live. The benefit of being on Amazon is not only that you grow an audience, but you can also generate revenue. And being on a live streaming platform that allows you to get paid is ideal. So you want to make sure that you show up on a regular basis. Turn on your camera, whether that's a DSLR camera or maybe you're going to go live from your smartphone. You have options on the platform. And you also have the ability to connect with brands and sponsors. It only took me a handful of videos to get my first Amazon Live sponsor. And the opportunities right now are very wide open because there aren't a lot of influencers regularly live streaming on the platform. So now is your chance. It's your opportunity. If you've struggled in the past to grow an audience, this is the time. And if you already have an audience, this is going to be easy for you. So I want to encourage you to jump in the Facebook group. There's going to be more content coming about Amazon Live, because even on YouTube right now, there are not a lot of videos. And so what I want to do is be able to give you that knowledge here on YouTube as well in our Facebook group. So I want you to do me a favor. Make sure that you like this video and leave me a comment below letting me know that you're coming to join the Facebook group. I'm going to create an entire series of videos, so you want to make sure that you haven't already, click that red subscribe button and check out all the videos that I'm going to post here on YouTube to help you grow on Amazon Live. With that, I'll see you in the next video.